Hello, traders, and welcome to this new edition of end of day market commentary. I would like to invite you to visit my website and web service edge of trading.online. And in the description of this video, you will have direct payment links for a mentoring classes, one-on-one, LL wave and price action, and also options trading using technical analysis, and for the annual membership of for trading community, private trading community, 50% off. Now let's go. Remember, yesterday we spoke about the gold and this level 250, and the gold went just through it. By all means, broke about this consolidation triangle, and now we are in completely different situation and view about the gold. But as you can see, if we look back, we see long shadows here, so we need a confirmation of this breakout. Confirmation means a continuation to the upside. So do not rush to enter the long position, because we could have a pullback for a retest, and then it will be much more healthy than a continuation to the upside here, and then again long shadow to the downside. So let's wait till Monday to see what will happen and how the price action will develop. Since we are at the commodities, let's see the oil. A lot of I see analysts talking about the oil breakout. Oil did not break out anything. Oil is just dancing around in this sideways consolidation, uh, and is a rising wedge, testing the upside resistance 80. This is the upside resistance zone, which is extremely important before this 94 level. So the zone where we have rejections of the upside continuation is 80 to 83.6. Again, we need to wait Monday for a confirmation of the direction of the price action direction. Interesting thing, the Nasdaq again at the top of this rising wedge, and in my chart it is actually an eclipse. Actually, still does not mean that we are in a new long-term bullish cycle. It will be if we get a confirmed break above 18,300. Similar thing happened with the SP 500. Is right at the top of the channel, and the top of the rising wedge again, 5,150. But as I was speaking to my private trading community and members of that, they know that I am always indicating 5,150 as the key level for the long term bullish cycle continuation. Still, this is a wedge and is getting more and more squeezed. So uh, we should see a breakout soon. Okay, do not rush into the long trades, and look at the DAX. I was speaking about it yesterday. Yes, it went above 17,500, but is now at the top of the long term, again rising wedge and the rising channel. and this rising wedge is not more narrow than the SPX1. For the crypto, for the Bitcoin, if you follow me on Twitter, you know my view on this. And actually, we reached exactly the point where the Bitcoin was before a first slump to the downside, and actually in the shadow zone of the second slump to the downside. So it's a really, really, really important resistance level for a Bitcoin. So if you want to be a Bitcoin buyer, um, you would probably be better with waiting of buying here for the upside continuation, because this line is really indicative, and we will have a wild price action here. Okay, so I will draw here three lines. So now is completely defined zone of the resistance. Support is 51,000. If we will see a consolidation in the Bitcoin, it will be between 62,000 and 52,000. Okay, and the 52,000 is an ideal position to build ideal position to build a long trades. If we get a push to the upside, then you should wait one push to the upside above 65, then pull back into 61, and then to go long. Let's go to stocks to see what happened today. The Apple continued to the downside. I published the put. I bought the put options of the Apple, and I published in the trading community, and it is actually in the money. If you are familiar with the put options, then you know that when the price of underlying asset is going to the downside, you are getting money, you're getting profits. Amazon is like the Nasdaq again, hitting the the extreme point of this channel and the wedge. As said yesterday, 179, 178, 179 in this market is key. Meta is in this developing broadening wedge, also hitting the extreme. I'm looking at the weekly chart. I will switch to daily. It's like an isolated island here. Not good for my taste for buying to the upside continuation. Microsoft consolidating here. Let us see. Tesla stocks still haven't touched the stop loss in a rising wedge. Did not push to the upside. Could be a sign for the next week. Nvidia is holding this upside push 800, and mostly, not mostly, but most definitely because Nvidia, we have a strong today's push to the upside of the stock markets, the Nasdaq and the SPX, and my view is still unchanged. I expect pullback from here. I expect a pullback from here. Okay. This is it for this end of day market commentary. Uh, I wish you all a happy weekend, and also I want to again invite you to visit edgeoftrading.online and to visit this and to take these opportunities you have to register for my service with the discount, mentoring, and access to private trading community. Have a nice weekend and goodbye. We will have extremely interesting week next week. Deeper insights and trading analysis and everything you need with the individual trading support you will have when you register for my services. Thank you and goodbye.